Sophie ydw i. Dwi'n dod o Nottingham yn yr Eidal, ond nawr dwi'n byw yn Sir Benfro, Hwlffordd. I'm Sophie and I've been learning Welsh for about 3 years now. I started learning because I live in Wales, and after having my children I thought it would be great for them to have the language. But I really didn't expect it to change my life as much as it has. I began by using Say Something in Welsh and then quickly started classes with the National Centre for Learning Welsh. And I'm using Welsh in my day-to-day life.
My name's Diana and I've been studying Say Something in Welsh and Dysgu Cymraeg for about a year now. I started last year at the beginning of lockdown and found it was an absolute lifesaver to have something positive to focus on when there was so much negativity around on the news and so much uncertainty about the future has been just brilliant.
I think that the two approaches, Say Something in Welsh and the traditional classes with the National Centre for Learning Welsh, they both bring something different to the learning experience, and together you're really getting the best of both worlds.
And I've never found such a supportive and friendly community as the Learning Welsh community has been, so that has just been fantastic.
Because it's such an intuitive way to learn. You get to speak Welsh so quickly and confidently. Because I was able to have meaningful interactions in Welsh from the beginning, that motivated me so much, and also made me realise, hang on, I can actually do this. I can actually learn a language.